Hi, Andy Ron here with Montana Land Source. It is November 2nd, 2022, and this is your video summary of the Montana Land Report. Over the past week, we've had a total of 22 property updates, a whopping 13 new listings, which is quite high. Although 6 of those new listings are all from the same seller, they're all former Plum Creek timberlands in western Montana. 6 properties that range roughly from about 500 to 1,000 acres each and range in listing prices from about $1,500 to $2,500 per acre, depending on access and also amenities like live water. It'll be interesting to see how those perform. That's a lot of property to come on the market at once. Undeveloped properties outside of Alberton and Superior in western Montana, and it'll be interesting to see how the market responds to those properties. The rest of the listings are generally central and eastern Montana, a couple new ranches on the market. Past that, we also have 3 properties back on the market, 1 price change, 1 pending sale, and 4 sold. So aside from all the new market activity, the new listings, relatively quiet week in the Montana land market. We're still in a low inventory environment, really just not seeing much change there. We chip back up with new listings like this week, but they tend to be absorbed by the market. So I keep waiting to see whether we're going to start actually rebuilding inventory, but so far it just keeps maintaining at this low inventory level. And heading into winter is a more quiet time at the end of the year. Sometimes at the end of the year we see a little bit of a flurry, people just trying to get deals done for various reasons. Of course, interest rates are a big topic of discussion right now as well, and potential Fed interest rate hikes coming. On that note, the Montana Farm and Ranch Brokers Association, which is meeting tomorrow in Billings, is having a live panel from lenders in the area. So it's an interesting time to have lenders talk about the lending environment and the potential impact on the Montana land market. Again, that's tomorrow morning at 8:30 in Billings, but you can also attend that meeting via Zoom. Details about that are on mtlandsource.com. Other than that, I've been reminding people to save the date for March 7th, 8th, and 9th. In 2023 in Bozeman. The Winter Real Estate Roundup is happening then, as well as the For Land Sakes land valuation presentation, which has been going on for decades. And pretty exciting this year, we are bringing in some researchers from MSU who have done some land ownership dynamic studies in Montana. So we're kind of opening that presentation. That presentation is once a year when us appraisers share our data and share what we've seen over the past year and what we think is coming. So a lot of value data and trend data actual from our database, but it'll be really fascinating to bring in a little more of sort of the MSU sociological, cultural research on the new buyer sets in Montana and the cultural dynamics and culture change due to the ever-changing land market environment in Montana. So actually really excited about that. That's on Montana Land Source as well, and that will be filled in with more details as we gel the content for that seminar. That's the report for this week. Thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate it. You can find these videos on YouTube, and you can also find more content at mtlandsource.com, and I'm on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. Thanks everybody. See you next week.